Kichimo en chalo minister maneno lokom ngol mati ki pen chik me Uganda yana miero ng'eyo Honorable Nobert Mao obedo ng'a. Ilo ng'eyo mo chunyo tier matin wakeli kuopa Mao okwano kwe obedo kwe otiyo tijang'o man weng tie I report man Nobert Mao en ya ng'a. Kinywalo Honorable Nobert Mao inindwa pario mido madek mwakali bachiel miya bungwen ki pier bichel wia bero. Kumbeti en dong tie ki mwaka pier bich wia bich. Ward Padusman Oke Senior. Okwane Mwiri Primary School Matie Jinja. Ochere Wairaka College Bena Matie Jinja. Ka Benedako Kobo ochere kwano Namiliango College ikene mwakali bachiel miya bungwen ki pier bor wia rio mi oi mwakali bachiel miya bungwen ki pier bor wia boro. Omedeke kwane kun chere Makerere University ken mwakali bachiel miya bungwen ki pier bor wia boro mi oi mwakali bachiel miya bungwen ki pier bungwen wia chiel kama eno kateki degree chalo la pirida. Otiyo chalo President Palotiano kwan me Makerere University iken mwakali bachiel miya bungwen ki pier bungwen mi oi mwakali bachiel miya bungwen ki pier bungwen wia chiel. Itelle mubedo matek totwal iken en ken kilieli Brigadier Nobo Mayombo. Chot eno donye Law Development Center kamono ye diploma e lok mechik man I mwakali bachiel miya bungwen ki pier bungwen wia rio. I mwakali bario kia dek kijolo en Yale University ite Yale World Fellows Program kama eno tiriye mwakachiel I New Haven Connecticut Campus. Ikene mwakali bachiel miya bungwen ki pier bungwen wia rio mi oi mwakali bachiel miya bungwen ki pier bungwen wia ngwen ma otiyo chalo la pirida I Office pa Kabugo and Company Advocates matie I Kampala. I mwakali bachiel miya bungwen ki pier bungwen wia bichiel ki yero Nobert Mao I ot moko chik madit me Uganda kun chung pilwak me I Gulu Municipality. I Parliament enotiyo I Legal and Parliamentary Affairs Committee kidong Public Accounts Committee. Owero tichi Parliament mwakali bario kia bichiel kama kiyero en mi bedo won Koma Beach mi Gulu District. Mao lokeo dugu DP President General mwakali bario kapa kama eno bedie wakumbeti. Ento don kiyero en mi bedo Minister maloyo ngola ti ki penchek me Uganda.
Ended up here because we have a cooperation agreement with the National Resistance Movement. And the details of our priorities are there.
Mano time ngeni chiel magien go kero chingi karataj mitich karachiel ki party NRM. Inge chimo Mao minister chot dulme ot moko chiek maneno lok me kwedo kojo mano la tela lobo chimoge ichia beach o moko Mao chalo minister me ngol mati ki lok me chiek. Mano time ot moko chiek madit kun lado ot moko chiek anite among otelo widul man mangiyo karataj padano ni. Lutela mokenne beno miyo tamgi inge chimo Mao mi bedo minister.
Just a cooperation that we have signed, that we can cooperate with them. Very healthy for the politics of the country. That leaders, politicians don't look at each other as enemies. We look at each other as partners and we cooperate in matters of national interest.
Well, it has just happened. We shall continue discussing it. As the caucus, we sit individual members because we are members of parliament, we sit in the neck. So even what has taken place still need to be ratified.
Pilonge muchunyi One Luo TV makibir doge tum chabetman Angeya Pat Robert Larube.